All right. Welcome back, traders, to another live episode here. Your host, Mr. Know-It-All. I took a day off yesterday. I hope you guys didn't mind. Yo. Pedro, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. Yesterday was my first Sunday off, guys. You believe that? That was the first Sunday I took off since we started doing live on YouTube. I was pretty consistent about coming on Sundays for the weekly and daily candle closes, but you know what, guys? I took a little break. Need some time away from the charts. Spend some time with family. But anyways, guys, here we are. We're back. Raiden, called out Raiden the other day. Somebody actually was asking about it, I think. Inverse head and shoulders pattern, got the breakout. Massive move once you broke the neckline here. On up to like $1.98 from the breakout. I mean, you guys are talking about 141% move. That's insane. Hey, let's go back to storage, right? You guys remember the storage call out? Did we do the 275% move yet on storage? That was pretty nutso, huh? I think we did the move. We almost did the whole measured move. We did the whole measured move, guys. Storage got up to $3.87. Did the whole measured move with the right shoulder there. Beautiful. Walton chain. I don't know if you guys know about this project, but we called this out in the Discord at like 37 cents or something. Like basically down here at the bottom on the weekly. We took a swing trade on this. This has been paying off pretty nicely. As you guys can see, we've gotten 525% move on this since January. Nice swing trade setup there. Nice little falling wedge opportunity. Man, so many trades going on right now, man. So many. Cardano setting up here nicely on the daily here. Got that nice little wedge structure. We broke out of it. We came back up to test that 130 area, got rejected, came back down, made some higher lows, and we're just consolidating here. Probably more of a bullish rectangle structure right now. And they got some big news coming here soon. We're still showing, guys, we're still showing this daily bullish divergence here on Cardano. Major move is coming soon. Okay. All right. You guys hear about any new coins or anything you guys want to talk about today? We're gonna cover the basics, right? We'll cover Bitcoin here real quick. Still looking nice. Bitcoin's still looking good, right? We had this this bearish bat play out. We had a 50% retrace from the swing low to the swing high. Got the reversal, and now we're coming up to the supply line here right now. Coming to the supply line, we're showing that daily bullish divergence. All right, that's why we're getting this price action to the upside right now. Still looking really nice here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still looking really nice. We're going to cover Ethereum real quick. Ethereum sitting still nicely in this upsloping triangle, right? We're still in this nice pennant here, looking at about 120% measured move once we do break out of the structure. Putting us somewhere close to that next Fibonacci area here around this $3,200 area, probably by the end of April, I would say. Okay. Ethereum's still looking nice. I think we covered everything in the title, right? Raiden, Walton, Bitcoin, Cardano, ETH. Cool. We're gonna look at Ocean. Oh, OCAM. Let's see. Never mind. Where is everybody today, man? Nobody knows we're live today? Come on. STMX, sure. So, yeah, flag pattern here on the daily. Just consolidating here, right? Got this little mini break here. This can be redrawn. This looks high and tight, man. This looks high and tight. We're building that divergence, right? Building it up. Building it up. Building it up. This is looking good for a major move. On the 4 hour at least. Alright, STMX definitely looking strong here. Nice flag. Coming to the crux of the triangle here. Let's see. Aave, yeah. Aave getting pretty close to a move. Like. I don't know if you want to call this a downsloping channel or what you want to call this, but yeah, I guess the downsloping channel is good on that. Right, we got the pivot right here at the heart line. Looking left, this was a support, so double bottom, and now we're starting to make these higher lows again. Make a pivot here, 4 hour. Yeah, looks good. The daily looking really nice. Showing that exaggerated bullish divergence. We're about to get a MACD cross up. We just covered BTC, brother. Just scroll back in the stream a little bit. A descending triangle? I don't know, man. I mean, yeah, I don't think it's descending because this low, this low here is not the same low. You know, we don't have that perfection on the triangle, right? So I'm gonna call this a downsloping channel for now. I mean, you are in a major flag, right? So descending triangles are usually bearish patterns. Okay. Hey, what's going on, brother? So, but yeah, I mean, I do like what I'm seeing here. We got this pivot right here at the major heart line here, right? We're coming up to the supply line right now on the daily here. The daily, like I said, looks good in terms of momentum. Looks like we're going to get a cross up. Stokes are crossed up. STP DMI indicator also crossing up here nicely. So looks good. Looks good. I think we could see a move here shortly on this asset. All right, we're in a squeeze here on the Bollinger Bands as well, and we're going to throw the SAR indicator on and see what's happening here. Right, so we're not really showing any signals just yet because we're coming to a critical area here. All right, 4 hour in a squeeze. All right, Aave looks good. I would say you know, maybe you get one more back test of maybe a higher low or something if you break down here. Like if we do this, maybe we make one more higher low before we go out. That's possible. You get, you know, the bottom and then the double bottom here. Maybe wait for that, but if not, maybe you see just some consolidation here for a move out. Okay. Let's see how this one goes. All right. We covered BTC, total 2 about to break out. Yeah, let's take a look at that. That's pretty important for the altcoin market. Yeah, I don't know, man. Looks like it kind of got rejected here. For now, got rejected again on the 4 hour. The daily still, I guess, looks okay for now. We're still chopping around here. That 4 hour though, that didn't look too good, man. We got a straight up rejection on the 4 hour. See how the weekly closed last week. Right, so the weekly technically still in a breakout, right? Close the weekly candle in a breakout. Usually when you get stuff that goes straight down, you're gonna get a move that goes straight up. So we're just waiting patiently for this break. This is when we're gonna get that breakout versus Bitcoin, right? Still waiting for total 2 to break out versus total here. Shorter time scales got some rejection. We're still holding the lows, though. We're still holding the lows. All right, we did get this rejection right here at the supply line. Yeah, we can check VeChain. The hourly looks good, though. Looks like we made this low here. We're gonna hold these lows. Maybe we're gonna trek back on up. We got 1 rejection, 2 rejections, 3 rejections. Maybe 4th time's a charm, right? Let's see if we can do it. We are implying hidden bullish divergence on the hourly, right? Mehmet Elbas lie. Is that a token or something, bro? What are you talking about? Anyways, total 2. We're looking okay. We did get this rejection up here. What's lie? Is that a token, bro? Okay. Alrighty. VeChain. I'm not sure what you're talking about, dude. Honestly, I'm not. I don't pay attention to what other YouTubers are doing. They are not me. So VeChain on the daily looks like we're still building this negative momentum. I mean, not really much, right? There's not really too much selling pressure that came in. In fact, the 4 hour looks extremely bullish, where we had this divergence here. We had some of this play out already, but we're coming out of negative momentum again. and it's trying to break this this top side resistance here. This does look like a mini cup with handle pattern. Okay. Look at Matic. Yeah, man, Matic broke out of the wedge. There it is. So this the other day, we could get that dip before the rip. There it is. We got it. All right, so we're looking at about a move back up to the top side of the range here on Matic, 46 cents, 47 cents. And once you break that, you're looking at whatever the range here is, right? Like, so you're talking about, you know, once you break the range, you're looking at, you know, 64, 70, 78 cents. Once you break that top side of the wedge, okay? Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit the like button, all right? Smash it up. Yeah, let's see. What about the traditional markets today? Any big movers in the traditional markets today? DNUS having a good day. Mara, Riot, they're probably having good days because Bitcoin's having a good day. What do I see on Link? We showed Bitcoin before, brother. Bitcoin looks good. Link. So Link actually broke the original parabola structure. All right, we broke this initial structure here, and well, what happened was we got the breakdown and we made a low, and we actually made the same low or even a higher low, respected this demand line here. All right, so we're in this nice little triangle setup here. We're coming to the top of it right now. Nice GeoSurge. So Link coming up to the supply line right now. Now you can see we're getting a little bit of pushback right there. Right, you can see the little bit of the wick right there coming in on the 4 hour. Okay, this still looks pretty good to me. We're not really showing signs of exhaustion. We're not showing signs of any of that. We're still building this positive momentum here. So no divergence just yet. I'm sure the SAR indicator is throwing longs or is about to throw longs. So there it is. It is throwing longs on the 4 hour. Okay, guys. If you guys aren't familiar with our SAR indicator, this indicator has about a 98.6% win rate. We do have automated trading bots that run off these signals. We're running on 1 minute charts, and we're running on 15-minute high time frame filters, or whatever time frame filter you want to run it off of. Hey Felipe, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. I will definitely check out Uni and Raven for you here right now. And we'll look at Mana here in a minute, Braden, and CHZ and Link and all these other ones, guys. Hang on, just give me a bit. Give me a sec. So Uni. We're gonna look at the weekly first, all right? So this was a rising wedge. I mean, yeah, it broke down. I mean, sometimes these rising wedges break out in these bull markets, so I had upside targets. But if we, I guess we can readjust this. But essentially, we haven't broken the upsloping trend line, okay, on the daily for Uniswap. This 2450 area, if you break below that, we could see, you know, major downside, but we're still holding up here. We need to break back above this $30.75 area. The daily is, let's see, the daily is implying that we're going to see some upside. All right, we're starting to see this this hidden bullish divergence here on the daily. All right, we're still above our zero line here on the MACD oscillator. Still above it on the daily. The 4 hour, let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour already went and is starting to show signs of positive momentum. Shannon, absolutely. We'll check DOT, we'll check Dentacoin, we'll check Mana, and we'll check CHC after these two here, Uni and Raven. All right, guys. All right, yeah. So essentially, the 4 hour on Uniswap, we have this bottom that we made here. Made a higher low bottom here. This looks good. We want to see if we can get back above this this resistance area here, above this area right here where the dotted line is here on the SAR indicator, telling us this would be the area for a trend reversal back to the upside. So around that 3130, 3140 area, okay. And we can get back up to the top of the supply line here, and if we could actually break the top, we're looking at about 120% measured move, putting us somewhere close to that $70 area. I have these targets circled up here, 44, 70, and our last target up here around 90 bucks. Now these are longer term swings. This isn't going to happen today or tomorrow. This could take a couple weeks, take a month. I don't know exactly how long it's going to take, but if we do break out, those are the upside targets. If we break down, well, we're looking at breakdown targets too. Okay, breakdown targets would be you know, you break below this $21 area, or really this area up here, this $24 area. I don't think we're going to break down, but if we do, it's still a possibility. Okay, guys, don't ever rule the possibility out. This is a game of probabilities, but obviously it's more probable to break to the upside right now as we are in a bull market. All right, but there still is a probability or chance that we could break down. Okay, guys, I will get to all your guys' requests here in order that they were asked after I cover Felipe's Uni and Raven. Okay, as he did super chat me, and I do want to respect that. All right. Okay, so again, upside targets we said before up to about 70-80 bucks. Okay, downside targets would be you know, it'd be a big drop if we get a downside on this one. You know, we'd be targeting these areas down here, 13, 17, 23. But I don't think we're going to get downside on Uniswap. I mean, there's probably just too much demand for it right now, especially with all the stuff going on Uniswap, right? A lot of new tokens on there. People are buying stuff like that. Okay, Raven token. I think we already had this one drawn out. Looks like a nice little falling wedge structure that we had here. We got a little bit of a breakout. We're starting to round out again on the 4 hour here. Hourly looks like it may be trying to test this support again. I'm gonna go to like the weekly and see, or the weekly and see what's really happening here on this. Okay. SAR still throwing weekly longs, which is good. I mean, we are in the bullish territory here for the stochastic RSI. We're not. I mean, the RSI is is pretty high. I will say it's sitting around 80 on the RSI on the weekly. We did come up to this major Fibonacci extension here around 21 cents and touch it, 22 cents, and we even actually exceeded up to 30. But we're just consolidating up here, right? So that's good. As long as you're consolidating up by a major resistance area, the more likely that it will try to test it and break it at some point, right? So we want to just, if we're going to continue to see more upside on Raven, we want to see this consolidation up here. That's good. As long as we don't break below this this level here on the 17-cent area, we can just consolidate here and then eventually try to break further higher. All right. The daily is actually showing us that we're going to see potentially price action to the upside. We're showing that hidden divergence there as well. It's actually not really hidden in this case. It's really it is actually just a regular bullish divergence we're showing, which is good. Okay, we have a low and a higher low on negative momentum, whereas the price is showing a similar thing, right? So the low here, can't even see that because that line. But so basically the low is like right here around this 15.4 cent area, and we're showing we're showing a higher low on price. So I mean, I guess there really isn't too much of a price divergence because we have a low and a higher low on the momentum, but coming out of this negative momentum is good. We're going to see the stochastics here, what they end up doing here. Looks like we're starting to move back up here on the daily. On the 4 hour, the shorter time scale, it looks like maybe it's crossing back down possibly. So maybe keep an eye on that. It doesn't look too good just right now, but we are still, you know, in this range. Okay, so that's okay. We're not really seeing too much selling pressure come in just yet, which is good. Again, we're just looks like we're just consolidating up here for now. All right. I don't foresee any major move happening just yet. We made an impulse, made a back test. We tried to rally, had a failed rally. You know, we came back down, made another higher low. We tried to rally again, made another lower high. We could come back down and test these supports again. It's very possible that we do that before we maybe consolidate and maybe see higher prices, right? This isn't a flag. We are in a consolidation. Just gonna have to be patient with this one, all right? Hopefully that's helpful, Felipe. All right, guys, let's get to some other ones here. CHZ. So CHZ, we can also see this sort of cup forming here. All right. So yeah, this is more of like a falling structure as well. It's not clear. Like this could probably potentially, you know, break further down again, and you know, kind of trade in a range. Maybe get a pop here, come back down again, and then you know, just make a zigzag all the way. Doesn't have to necessarily break huge breakout here on this one. It's gone already parabolic pretty fast, right? But so yeah, just consolidation up here, I think, is what we're going to get for CHZ for now. And the 4 hour is actually maybe we're losing some momentum here. We're showing a bit of bearish divergence as well. Thanks so much, man, Ford. Appreciate that. So yeah, we are showing some divergence here on the 4 hour for CHZ. All right. We're going to do some TA on URUS as well here in just 1 second. We got Mana and Dent coin to cover real quick, and then ZRX, and then URUS we'll get to. All right. Oh yeah, also DOT. All right. Look at Mana real quick. All right, so this wedge broke out. We came back to the top of the structure here, and now we're just pulling back on Decentraland. Okay, so we could maybe come back down to test this. Maybe make a cup and continue. Right, this would be like a cup continuation pattern that we could see here on Mana. Back up to the top here around this $1.48 area. Once we get back above this area on Mana. All right, Dent coin. Is that just Dent? I think it's just Dent, right? Yeah, so this is looking like a lot like the other coins that are just consolidating up here. But yeah, this looks nice. Like you have a nice consolidation, nice base here. You can see the top side resistance area, right? You're getting pretty tight on the flag here on the 4 hour. 4 hour actually looking really nice. This could maybe break out pretty soon here. We're about to get a cross up, so definitely be on the lookout for this move. This could be a major move to the upside. All right. We're looking at about a 42% move for Dent here. Okay. Let's see, ZRX, and then URUS. So ZRX just trading in this triangle, right? So most likely going to come back up to this resistance, see how we do here. Maybe we get rejected, come back down, make another higher low, and then break out, okay? Here's URUS. Kind of already had this charted. But it's about to break out of this triangle here, as you guys can see. This is definitely a project that is new and probably has lots of upside, all right? They have a trading platform engine that is interesting, right? It's kind of like TradingView, but I think it's a little bit better. They use the TradingView APIs, and they do have capabilities to trade on there. Nice. And this is their token. So URUS looks pretty good. Looking at about 170% measured move once you break out of this triangle, and looks like you're about to do that here shortly. All right. XLM, yeah, we can take a look at XLM. We had a setup on that. See how that's doing. Oh man, it's doing it right now. What are you guys worried about? We basically touched the parabola, came below it, came back above it, came back below it again. Now we're just teetering right around it. And let's see what the daily looks like. The daily's in a squeeze, man. This is gonna break out pretty soon here. We're gonna see a big move out of XLM here pretty shortly now. I would say it looks like it's ready to go. Looks like it's ready, guys. Watch out for XLM. Gonna follow that parabola all the way up. Okay? Just be ready. Come on, how do we only have 14 likes on this stream? Let's go. Let's get those likes up. Get those likes up. Come on. Let's see. XRP and Zilliqa. Yep, sure. Still in the structure here, guys. Still looking really nice here on the daily. Go to a 3-day chart. I mean, this just the positive momentum here on the 3-day just started. We're gonna see a major breakout here in the coming days for XRP. Koji, yeah, I think now is a good buying opportunity for XLM. I just showed you guys that we're probably going to see a major move. You probably want to get in before that major move happens. So XRP looking nice too. Okay. If you guys are into traditional stocks, I actually alerted this stock today, Nio. I think Nio is going to make a nice major move back to the upside here in the coming days. We have a nice little swing opportunity here. I think this is going to be nice. If we look at the 4-hour chart, we can see that the selling is kind of rounding here, and we're kind of trying to hold this the support here. Right now, you can see that the wicks on the selling and the selling pressure here is kind of weaning. And we did take a trade here. We can see that we have a low, higher low, and another higher low on the hourly. This is, in my opinion, this is going to be a nice move back to the upside on this asset. We're going to see it probably go back up to the top of the supply line here. Looking at about a 40% potential move on this asset. All right. Anyways, FTM, thoughts on CRO swap for XLM? I'm not going to give financial advice, man, on a swap. If you own an asset already, you know, I don't know, man. Like, yeah, I think NIO is a good swing trade, man. We just went through it. I think this one's going to be nice, right? It's retraced like 50% from its highs. Okay. We just made a basically close to a double bottom here on the hourly and the 4-hour chart. If you guys missed it, also our rocket trade was pretty lit this morning. It broke out of this wedge. Nice breakout. We actually we pretty much sold the top. Let me show you guys how this went. Okay. We entered this this option trade on Rocket. I believe it was last week. Where did I enter this? Hang on a second. It was the 2389s for April expiration. Or maybe it was the 25. Yeah, it was the 2589s. Here you go. Oh no. I forget where I posted it, but anyways, you guys can see the rocket trade here was 158% profitable, 158% gain, all right? So yeah, this was a great trade setup, and then we're going to see something similar here happen with NIO. Anthony, yes, we did cover Ether already. Scroll back in the stream a little bit, but yeah, I think Rocket's going to be good, man. We just came out of this pattern. Probably going to consolidate here, maybe come back down to back test this parabola structure again, all right? FTM, take a look at FTM. Yeah, last time I looked at FTM, it was looking like it was ready to rock. So there it is. It broke out of the wedge. Nice. Okay. Got the breakout. I think we still have some major upside here on FTM too. All right. Daily is like all the way down here at 53 on the RSI, and we're coming out of this negative momentum. We're about to get the cross. We got a bit of this divergence showing here on the daily, coming out of that negative momentum. We're looking nice. ADA and ZRX we covered already. Keyshawn, you can go back in the stream and take a look at those. YFI we can take a look at too. Yeah, we didn't take a look at that yet. So YFI, nice structure here, right? Like almost like an ascending triangle structure. Okay. On the daily looks really nice. You can see that we have this divergence forming here on the momentum. All right. You can see it on the stochastics. We also have it. That divergence there. You got the stochastics pointed up nicely. We already had a bit of a move today, 7%, but I think we have a lot more upside to come here on YFI. You guys can see this supply line right here. Once we break that, we're looking at a move to the top of the triangle, about 47,000, you know, $47,000 area as resistance. But if we actually break the resistance, we're talking about a major move, right? From the bottom of the triangle, the top of the triangle, look about a 200% major move, major swing target here on this asset. Okay, we're looking at upside targets if we break the structure in these ranges here. Okay, up to 60,000, 70,000. On up to 90,000 on YFI. Yeah, we'll look at DOT. Sorry about that. We kind of got carried away with some other assets here. So DOT also in a nice little bullish rectangle structure here. Right, we're holding these lows, and you can see that this is our our defined clear resistance up here, and we're just consolidating in this range, okay? And once we get back above this level here, we're looking at a move from the bottom of the range to the top of the range. We're looking at about a 35% measured move for DOT. Okay. So DOT looking good as well. All right. So these would be your targets. All right. 48 to 60 bucks in that range. All right. Once we break the top of the rectangle. ETH breaking out right now. Nice. Excellent. Yeah, we can go back to ETH, check that out. But I covered it before. Let's still in that nice triangle, man. Yep, we got the breakout right there. You guys can see we broke that downsloping resistance line, that supply line. All right. We're going to get to the top here and probably break the structure. And like I said, towards the end of April, I think we can see close to a $3,000 to $4,000 Ethereum. JagX. Take a look at it. So you're overall in a downtrend on this stock, okay? So the trend is your friend until the end. So eat a downtrend. All right. But yeah, this could be a partial decline before a continuation. We're not showing it just yet here on the weekly. All right, this looks like maybe continuation down possibly on this asset. See if you can hold the lows. That's the really important part. Right now you're still at the lows, which is good. On the 3-day, let's go to the daily. The daily also still holding above this low. All right, if you get a candle body close below it, I'd be a little weary about what's going to happen. You probably could see some further downside, all right? All right, so yeah, JagX, the 4-hour, yeah, looks okay. I mean, you can see that we're starting to maybe get some seller exhaustion here. Let's see on the oscillators here. I mean, not too much really to see really just yet. Maybe a bit of bearish kind of convergence. Okay, like you had this momentum here. It tried to rally, it failed to rally. We're now making negative momentum again on the 4-hour. So yeah, I mean, we're probably going to come back down and test these lows. All right, so see what kind of happens around this $1.44 area here. If you can see that we get this rounded bottom here, you know, you could maybe look for a long down here to get maybe back to the top of the range. All right, on Jaguar. All right. Band, yeah, Band we called out the other day on the stream, man. This is doing good. We're breaking the resistance right now. I said this looks like a nice little cup and handle structure that we're gonna get probably to break out, and that's exactly what's happening there. So let's get some hype in the chat for Band on that call out. That was a good one. Excellent, guys, excellent. Make sure you guys smash up that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Make sure you guys tick the little bell. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys join the Discord. Lots of things happening in the Discord. You guys can see all the profits and all the testimonials, okay, about our products here. Here you go. By the way, I am Mr. Know-It-All. If you guys don't know who I am in the Discord, that's me. Calls on point. Here you go. SKL call out, BZRX call out. Gentlemen made 126% on this call and 53% on this call. Guys, you're talking about making that monthly alert subscription in one trade, not even, okay? He covered like 3 months of subscription in 2 trades here, okay? All right. 20 days on the SAR, 25% ROI. He's made $25,000 in 20 days, guys. That is like 6 months of SAR indicator, all right? In not even a month, okay? So make sure you guys check out the Discord. Check out what we're doing here. Lots of people making some money. All right. Yes, of course. Band is some of the highest staking percentages in the crypto space right now. I think it's like 17% on the Atomic wallet. I don't know what they're offering on Binance, but yeah. Excellent. I am in a swing trade on this coin called Dodo. Just so you guys know, this was called out in our live Discord stream. This actually wasn't called out in oh, you want to look at Pfizer's time? Yeah, you know what, man? We can look at it here in a second. I was just going to talk about this Dodo coin here for a second. Got this nice falling wedge structure, broke out of it. We entered around 360, like right as we were crossing this area right here, this resistance line. Okay, I knew we were going to get a nice move out, and here we are, guys. We're still trekking along in this position. We have about a $2,000 position in this one to swing up to the top of the range. Up to 30 bucks. This could take a couple months, but hey, who's counting? Zilliqa, we could take a look at that. Yep. Pfizer, we'll look at that next. And we'll look at that next. Yeah, make sure you guys hit the like button if you guys are enjoying the content here. All right. I think I'm delivering you guys some nice TA as usual. Giving you guys some nice insight as to where some of these assets are heading here in the shorter to longer term. All right. Doing this for you guys, man. Doing this all for you guys. Really hope you guys are enjoying it. So Zilliqa, yeah, nice parabola structure here we're holding. Right, we've been kind of straight up here since September. Holding the structure. I mean, if you guys really want to see where this might go from bottom of the structure to top of the structure, looking at a 420% measured move once we break out of this major structure here. You guys listening? This can go 420% from here. All right, so we're looking at about that $1 target, which is that major, 1272 fib area. This could take a couple months though, guys. Couple months, okay? Maybe towards that May area, get close to that $1 area. All right, now we'll look at Pfizer real quick. Nice double bottom there on the daily. Let's go to the weekly. All right, looks like a complex inverse head and shoulders pattern. Do you guys see it? But major consolidation here for Pfizer for a long time now. Since 1999, we've been in a consolidation pattern. But, I mean, you guys can see this. This looks pretty insane. You guys see what's happening here? This demand line all the way back from 1994. This is quite a sight here for Pfizer. We could get a major breakout on this asset. All right. That is quite a pattern, guys. All right, that's definitely something not to ignore. 971% measured move. But I mean, this could take like what, 10 years? Oh shit. Stocks move so much slower than crypto, guys. But yeah, this long term looks really great for sure. I mean, here's the monthly on this. And you can see it kind of coiling here on the monthly, right? You had that little bit of negative momentum right there. We had this divergence that is playing out. It hasn't really played out yet, in my opinion, but this looks major, like a major move is coming for Pfizer. Okay. Hopefully that's helpful. I think longer term, this is a great long-term hold. Obviously, this looks wonderful on the chart. Okay, we're looking at 971% measured move in the coming years for Pfizer. All right, a $400 stock potentially in 10 years. Okay. Major moves coming for Pfizer. All right, we could get a major breakout here shortly as well. Yep, my pleasure, man. Tomo, no problem. What else we got here? Sand. I didn't cover Sand. YouTube, yeah, we'll cover it, man. Hey man, you're perfectly holding in this channel, right? Upsloping channel. This is perfect. You guys can see that cup continuation we got. All right. Made new highs on the daily. Yeah, this is a nice flag here on the hourly. You guys see this? Right, so we have this low down here. We had this nice impulse. We made a higher low. We tried to rally, failed to rally. Hit the supply line, came back down and made another higher low. All right, guys, so looks like we could be setting up for another major move here on Sand. You know, we want to see this volume momentum oscillator kind of round out to make that divergence. Once we get that divergence, we're going to get a major move, all right? Just be patient on this. Right now, you can see that cup we made. We made that impulse to the new highs, and right now we're just kind of consolidating, upsloping, consolidating. We're in a triangle right here, guys. This is on an hourly chart, so you know this may not play out, but we could see this go sideways here for a bit before maybe continuing. Right? We can see the volume kind of receding, right? So maybe another move coming. Maybe another move coming here on the 15-minute. We'll go to here. You can see we're just sitting right here along the demand line. All right. All right, let's throw the SAR indicator on to see what it's throwing right now. All right, so it stopped throwing shorts. Okay, that's good. It was throwing shorts here on the 15-minute. The 5-minute probably going to start to go long here. You guys can see the action. It's starting to make higher lows, right? All right, this is looking nice, And the 5-minute just crossed bullish. We're at 56 on the RSI. This could be a nice scalp trade to the top of the range here on this 84-cent area. Okay. This looks nice, brother. Very nice. Very nice. All right, NU. All right, so nice consolidation down sloping. All right, that's beautiful. You want to see that after making that impulse, okay? Very nice structure here. Nice little falling structure we're seeing. All right, stochastics already starting to point up on the daily time scale. We have that stochastic bullish divergence. All right, very nice. We have a squeeze coming in here on the MACD oscillator as well. Right, triple. You know, one low, higher low, a third higher low. Right, so momentum is weaning. We're down sloping in price. We have a price, a divergence in the momentum. Okay. So this looks nice on NU. Absolutely, this looks nice. This is going to probably break out soon here, okay? Let's look at the 4-hour structure. Yeah, this looks nice. This looks really nice. Okay. We're looking at about a 53% measured move on this asset. All right. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Elliot, what's 5K? Yeah, we can do H-bar. You know what? We can do H-bar once we get to 50 likes. Come on, smash the likes up, guys. Let's get them up there. I've been live for almost an hour. Smash them up. Come on, guys. I deserve it. Come on, smash the likes up. Come on, let's see those. I want to see those likes jump. Let's go. There's your Aave breakout right now. We call this out right before it broke out. Come on. Smash it up. There it is. There it is. All right. Let's get H-bar up on the chart. What do you know? I already had this drawn out, man. Falling structure. Got the breakout. Came up to the top here, all right? So just be careful. We just hit a resistance. All right? We could pull back right here. All right? We're showing maybe we could see a little bit of a pullback. All right? We are showing the 4-hour bearish divergence, okay? All right, we made the same high on price, but a lower high on the RSI on the 4-hour. All right, we could see a bit of a pullback on H-bar, okay? Just be prepared for that. We could make a cup and continuation pattern, but right now we made this structure here, and we're pulling back here on the 4-hour. On the hourly, we're probably showing that as well, okay? All right, H-bar pulling back after making this major impulse up, okay? Go back to NIO for a second. Somebody's requesting stocks, and I still think this is going to be a nice trade. All right, I'm actually in this trade myself. Hours still looking okay. It's just hanging on to the lows here. We can see we did make a technical higher low here, and we're coming out of that negative momentum, man. That's what I like to see, coming out of that negative momentum there, down at a major low, major area. All right, yeah, we'll cover Qtm here. I think we covered this. This asset was actually here it is. Okay, I think we called this out around that $6 area here in the alert service. Let me go back and show you guys that information. All right, this was called out around that $6.25 area, if I recall correctly. Let's see where that was. Yeah, we could look at SKL here in a second, man. Okay, so here's Qtm. Long-term swing to $12.30 area. You can see we called around $6.35 when we drew the structure out. We broke it, and we had this nice breakout here to $7.28. That was a day after we drew this out. And here we are, guys. We got the breakout. We got the back test, and we're rallying again. We're cupping again. This looks like a nice continuation once again, okay? Looks like a nice continuation once again. We're coming to the supply line right now, and you can see that we're in this structure to the upside here. All right, coming out of negative momentum again. And on the 4-hour pivoting, you can see the nice pivot we got here right around that 49 to 50 area on the RSI. And again, 57 on the RSI, trekking up for sure on Qtm. All right, looks nice, nice structure. SKL. I think that made a major move today as well, right? Yeah, 33%. Oh, what do you know? We bounced right off the parabola structure in a falling channel. Oh, man, what do you know? Beautiful. Yep, this is perfect. Playing out perfectly, just as I had drawn. All right. Not really too much to do here. I mean, like, it's doing exactly what I had drawn out. All right. All right, guys. Make sure you guys join the Discord if you haven't already. Again, check out some of the products we offer here to support the channel, support yourself, invest in yourselves, guys. Come on. You guys want to learn how to do this? So you know when this happens, you're already in down here at 54 cents? Come on. It's not that hard. Just invest in yourself, join the Discord, join the movement. All right? We're here for you guys, for real. Try to be here every day for you if I can. All right? You know, GRT making that cup continuation out, right? We covered ETH, but yeah, it's breaking out right now. We literally just spoke about it. Here it is. Broke the supply line. We're breaking out. We're gonna go to the top of the structure here now. Looks really good. Looks really good. Is my job a swing trader? No, this is not my full-time job, but I'd like it to be. Need to grow this channel a bit more. Need to impact a little bit more people. My goal is to impact 1,000 people's lives this year. That is my goal, guys. 1,000 people's lives. That is my goal. All right. Right now, we're impacting about 150 people, close to 200 people. We have some room to grow, okay? We have some room to grow. ADX. All right. I haven't heard this name in a while. Addx, yeah. These guys are a marketing company or something, right? It's a big cup. That's a big cup pattern. You guys see the cup? Yeah, I mean, this thing's gonna make some big moves for sure. I can already see on the chart what's happening here. We're breaking this 618 area here. It went basically straight down from back in 2017. So, I mean, you're looking at a major move, guys. Like, a 4,622% move once you break this this top neckline here for major growth for sure. This looks really good. I mean, I don't think it's going to go this high on this run, but you know, we could see something stupid like up here, 60 bucks. Okay, totally could see it. Totally could see it. If this platform gets adopted or this asset gets some real adoption, I think we're going to see something like that play out. All right. This is a big cup pattern. All right, make sure you guys smash up that like button if you guys haven't done so already. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And join the Discord. For F's sake, join the Discord, all right? That is where everything is happening right now. You guys can see all the social proof you need. You guys can see everything happening live. There really isn't real. I can't say anything else, man. You guys see what I'm doing here on the chart, all right? You guys already know, hopefully, what's going on here. So, all right, maybe a couple more tickers, and we'll wrap it up for today's stream. But everything looks really great on the chart right now. Bitcoin looks nice. Some of these other stocks look nice that we looked at. It is indeed, Anthony. HNT, that's that Helium coin, right? missed this one. Look at that. Look at that volume coming in on the monthly. I think this thing actually just started. Really, it looks really an infancy stage. We looked at XRP earlier, but it looks still really good. Still in the pattern. Yeah, it hasn't broken out just yet. So yeah, it looks good. This looks good too on the weekly time scale. You can see. How high by December? I don't know, man. 10 to 20K range. I think that's going to be the top. I know that's a big range, but I think that's the projection I have. $10,000 to $20,000 Ether by the end of the year. All right. Yeah, I'd say you want to, wait for a back test of support before entering another long if you're not in a long, all right? I would say so. So yeah, on this asset, you're looking at about 166% measured move once you break out, okay? All right, Limbo. I think we covered this one in a prior stream. But yeah, I mean, you got to break above that 14-cent area. Demand line's still being held. We're still making higher lows, low, higher low, same low, higher low, right? The volume is tapering though, okay? Be aware of that. That means a move is coming. Okay? Got a nice pin bar here, but we're just kind of sideways. I don't really know too much about this coin, but yeah, I'd wait for maybe another higher low to enter a position if you're looking to do that. All right, if you come back down again, test the support, something like that. This is Limbo coin. I've never heard of this one, but somebody requested it, so. Metal Pay is out of control right now. Wow. ERN. You know, people are talking about that one. I don't think this is it. I don't really do ICOs, man. No, I like chart data. I don't like just buying a token because it's new or something. Yeah, this is also a very new token, Soldier. So just be careful in this, alright? Yeah, I see it. You know, rising wedge stuff right now. Volume sort of receding a little bit on the daily. The hourly coming down to that supply line, demand line. I mean, Anthony, we covered VeChain already. But yeah, Soldier, it's holding the lows, all right? Yeah, Tony Hawk building an NFT on it, nice. Yeah, so it's got some hype around it, all right? Yeah, if it holds the demand line here, we could see it come back up, maybe break out. All right. Holding the upsloping channel for now. Okay. Hey, make sure you guys smash that like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and make sure you guys tick the little bell, all right? Wink coin. So broke the all-time highs, candle body wise. All right, broke it. You're losing a bit of steam here on the daily, but it's not over just yet. Four-hour implying maybe some upside. You're gonna flag just consolidating, right? Could see some more consolidation, all right? Could be forming an inverse mini head and shoulders pattern here. Could be. Could be. Gotta see how this plays out. This is on a 15-minute chart. You're looking at this neckline right here to break. But yeah, you're going into a squeeze on the 5-minute, all right? And 15-minute. Starting to show some hidden bullish divergence on the 15. Right, you could see maybe a move up. Four-hour. Not showing it just yet, but you're still above zero on the Mackie, so still bullish. You want to see that shorter time scale wean that negative momentum away, all right? So holding the lows for now in a downsloping structure. Overall in a bullish trend right now. You broke the all-time highs. The monthly probably looks good. Yeah, monthly looks great. Highest volume the asset's ever seen came in this month. Right, monthly you got to break back above this 0.49 area. I think once you do that, you're going to see some major moves, some major fireworks. All right. You know, long-term targets. We covered Raven already. Elizabeth, whatever your name is there. I think that's probably a safe bet, man. Ethereum. I don't think it's going to do this whole move on this run. Maybe we get up to about half the moves. So in this range by the end of the year. Could happen, all right? All right, guys. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Make sure you guys check out the STP products. We have the indicators. We have the alert service. We have the SAR bot. If you guys are interested in automated trading, that is one of the most successful products that we do have is a SAR indicator. And we have folks achieving a 2 to 6% daily win rate. Not win rate. 2 to 6% daily on their trading balance on average, all right? I don't think any other indicator is really delivering that. So make sure you guys check it out. Join the Discord, join the movement. Hit me up in the channel. My name is Mr. Know-It-All. I do the manual trading here for STP. So if you guys are interested in manual trades or longer term swing trades, that's what I specialize in here. That's what I'm pretty much showing you guys on these charts. So definitely come check it out. Support the streams or support the community, support myself here. I want to thank you guys again for joining. I appreciate all you guys showing up. You guys are all investing in yourselves, and that is very important. I want to impact as many people as I can in my life here. So make sure you guys smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button, and tick the little bell. And I checked swing by USDT. Yeah, we can check it out real quick, man. It's in a breakout on the monthly, man. You got a nice, you know, on the weekly there, you got a nice, why am I blanking out right now? Anyways, yeah, downslope consolidation here on the weekly. Ivo, this looks good. You just crossed up on the daily. Momentum is shifting. A momentum shifting structure here. Okay. You know, you got upside targets once you get above the supply line. You know, back up to 73 cents. Essentially this whole range here, okay? We're looking at this whole range here for take profits on the way up. This looks really great. Nice nice call here, man. This looks good. You know, you even touch the supply line a bit on the daily time scale. You could see, you know, it did get this pullback. This could be another re-entry spot, all right? Not too much volume happening on this asset. I'm not really too sure about it. But yeah, the overall technicals look good. AKRO, yep, take a look at it. Ivo, tell him you're part of the alert service for how long now, man? How many months have you paid for in the service just off the Walton coin trade setup? And Vance Pants, you've been a part of the service too. You better tell these folks. You better tell these folks. Yeah, this looks great, man. This looks fabulous. 709% measured move on AKRO incoming. All right, longer term swing trade here, guys. Big moves coming for this asset. Not even sure what it does. Doesn't even matter, man. I'm saying none of this stuff matters, guys. It all matters what's seen on the chart. All right, these are your major swings. There you go, guys. Ivo. Walton coin trade paid for more than a year of the alert service. I hope you don't mind. I screenshot that and put that in the STP testimonial section. Moto Mayhem, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. They got the tackle and fuel, man. They got the tackle and fuel. This chart looks beautiful. 715% measured move on Acro. All right, this looks great. Absolutely great for a longer term swing. I'm going to post this actually in the alert section for you guys. I'm still on the stream. Damn. That's nice. The alert service is $67 a month, guys. Well, all right, guys. I think that's about to wrap it up for today. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream again. Hopefully, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Smash up the like buttons. Leave a nice comment down below. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Remember, guys, we're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. Help us get there. We're going to do a nice giveaway when we get there, guys. All right. Till tomorrow, guys. All right, I'm done. I got one new subscriber.